Hey, Fluff Fury. Looks like we have a new challenger.
Yeah, I saw it on TV. It's the Yuffie E28. You saw it too, right, Lady Spotch?
It doesn't seem like much to me.
Hey, he's right there. Wait, where did he go?
Try and clean this. This really sucks.
Ketchup Carnage! Are you still there?
Coming for you. Run.
Impossible! I'm being cleaned
Are you all right, Fluff Fury?
Cornered. What? No way!
Ooh, I'm going back to the sofa. Under this fabric, I'm invincible.
How deep does it go? We're in deep trouble!
Where is it taking us?
Hey, it recognizes everything!
Is this over?
Not yet. And now we're over.
Hey, there's my leg!
It's too powerful!
Yuffie E28. Conquer every mess.